Hi. So I've been struggling for ideas on how to make videos recently, so I thought I'd branch out. Oh, hi there. I'm Liam, and today we're going to be making a lovely meal out of birds, raspberry trifle, an onion, some half-eaten wine glass, and Korakari Khan fish curry sauce.
I guess when it comes to cooking shows, he just didn't have a taste for it.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. Ow. I tried posting on Twitter to do a Q&A or something, and then I remembered. Then I realised I should just talk like a real YouTuber. That's probably a good plan. And then I got completely transfixed on videos by Troye Sivan. He's hilarious. Like, really hilarious. And brave as fuck. Seriously, I watched his coming out video and I was so impressed. It was strange just how like my own coming out story it was. I mean, there were obviously differences and that sort of thing, but I don't know, I just felt strangely proud of him. I don't know if I should feel proud, I don't know if that's weird or anything, but I do, because it seriously takes some balls to get up in front of 450,000 subscribers and tell them something like that, because that's kind of a big deal to some people. Good on you, Troye. Just keep being amazing. Keep releasing hilarious videos. You have my official stamp of awesome. You don't have to have it, but it's there. Right there. In other news, I got into university. Woo! I am going to Newport Film and Video and kind of freaking out about it. I know I shouldn't be, but I am. That's just the way I'm feeling right now. I enrolled this morning. I was writing all the things going, what does that mean? Oh, that's what that means. Just brain not really working sort of stuff. And can't wait. Really, really, really can't wait. Also, a lot of people liked the video I made with my friend Dan. Now, I'm glad you all enjoyed that, because I enjoyed making that. And I'm going to enjoy making more things like that. So, buckle up. Action.
When it comes to cooking shows, I guess he just didn't have a taste for it.
What?
Sorry. I forgot how to...
Action.
When it comes to cooking shows, I guess he just didn't have a taste for it.
Okay.
I guess when it comes to cooking shows, he just didn't have a taste for it. I could have been smoother. Claxtons.
Funny.
Asparagus. They see me rolling.